Hello guys, welcome to summerautoparts. This is Summer. Today we are showing the back side of the Defender cars. So we can find the Defender 90 and the Defender 110. On the back of my side, they both change the tail lamp. The car is low profile, which is upgraded the high profile smoke tail lamp. We can find this is Defender 110, this is Defender 90, and both of them looks more leisure and wonderful design. And on the other difference, we can find the 110 with a spare tire cover. This is the best selling gloss black spare tire cover, and this one with a removal kit, which is selling almost 2 months. And today I'm going to some change of the remove kit, which is remove the spare tire cover, because some customer from the YouTube and to suggest me to try some sticker on the back side of the blanket ones. So today we make the stickers with the jack unit and to see how's the look and what's the difference after make the stickers on this side. We can find the blanket ones is too empty and boring, so we want to do some DIY design here. So follow my videos and to check out what's the difference after we modify it. This time I choose the jack unit because I think this is a nice design, and after a few minutes later I finished the stickers on the blanket removal kit. But what's pity, I'm not professional, so it's a little bit problem, but I think you can find this ways to check what we can do after we receive the removal kit and do some DIY design. I think you are good at and be better working of the sticker working than me. So anything, any sticker, any drawing you want, you can make on your own card, and this just for reference. So if you have any interesting questions to cooperate with summerautoparts, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and contact our sales department for more information. So thank you very much for your watching and see you next week. Bye bye.